Earthquake. What do you do? Move now. If you're indoors, get under a desk immediately. Protect your head. Stay put until the shaking stops. No place to hide? Use a cushion to guard your head and move away from windows. If you're outside, act fast. Get away from buildings and move to an open space. Near the sea, watch out for tsunamis. Head for higher ground at full speed. In a car, turn on your hazard lights and pull over to the side of the road. No sudden brakes. Stay in the car until the shaking stops. A split-second decision can save your life.